Oprah. It's me, Big Bird.
And me, Baby Bell.
And as a special Sesame Street birthday greeting to the McCoy septuplets, we are going to count to 7.
That's right, because there are 7, count 'em, 7 babies, all turning 1 on the very same day.
Right. Okay, let's count the babies in the order in which they were born.
Okay.
Number 1, happy birthday, Kenny Jr.
Number 2, happy birthday, Alexis.
Number 3, happy birthday, Natalie.
Number 4, happy birthday, Kelsey.
Number 5, happy birthday, Nathan.
Number 6, happy birthday, Brandon.
And last but not least, number 7, happy birthday, Joel.
Yeah, from all your friends on Sesame Street, happy birthday to you. And you.
Oh, and you.
And you.
And Annette.
What? Oi, you get your beef back. You seem as snazzy now for your homo.
Oh, get your beef back. Never sermon till on the palette.
Now get your beef back. Scissorman.
Nothing get your beef back out for my.
He's like get your beef back. Go for month.
You'll get your beef back. Here's the month.
It's a lie at your beef back. Push your month.
Very nice, get your beef back. Now we're month.
Yeah,
no, we're doing the CBA, but myself. Get off out.
yes, miss, you ever now winner fall. See, never smart, never sorry, the yo, that.
Never not gonna go. You still but you'll come of the here get your seems as little as an ass.
Why, be beam,
Girl, give him the power boy.